We would start like this, like, hey, welcome to Bitcoin Arcade.
Okay.
Welcome to Bitcoin Arcade.
Hey, what's up, guys?
My name's Devin Sheffield.
I'm Johnny Lamb.
Hey, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and altcoin related news.
Mm-hmm. It's all speculation. It's just what we think and what we like, or maybe just our opinions about the market.
Yes, it's going to be our opinions about the market. And we're going to start with the Bitcoin, and then we're going to give you kind of a rundown of an altcoin that we enjoyed this week. And coming up first, okay, though, let's talk about Lulu, the Bitcoin herself, the big old Nancy. God, she was a hurricane this last week.
Oh, my God.
Man, that's on January 17th, we dropped all the way down to $9,372.
The worst. I mean, that just happened so quickly.
It was so cheap, though. It was so cheap. It was like Bitcoin was on sale.
Yeah, Black Friday or Black Tuesday.
Black Tuesday sale, yeah.
I know that I read somewhere that the Winklevoss twins were millionaires.
They were billionaires.
Yeah, Bitcoin billionaires.
And then they became billionaires. Millionaires.
They were millionaires.
Man, that's a heck of a jump.
Yeah, swings.
That's a heck of a lot of market value.
That's some money, yeah.
Yeah,
crazy.
Up and down, that's nuts. And so, why did we all buy the farm? Why did this happen, Johnny? Why did the Bitcoin drop so low and then kind of come back?
Well, Bitcoin more or less. There's a lot of news coming out from different parts of the world, mainly in China and Korea. A lot of it was due to people
insider trading.
Yeah, people being afraid that these nations were going to ban the trading of cryptocurrencies.
Ban the crypto market.
Mm-hmm. And I mean, it's funny because like if you look back maybe 4 months ago, China did the same thing.
Ban the crypto market.
Yeah, and it still hasn't. It's just both nations are trying to, they make their cut more or less, their taxes on it. I mean, it's a fairly unregulated market that is very prone to market manipulation.
Market manipulation, which is a fancy way of saying like, hey, we can make everybody panic and sell and then buy in when it's really low again. So hope you're buying those dips. Mm-hmm. Everybody, it looks like Bitcoin is now trading sideways. We're hovering around like 11.5 at the filming of this episode of Bitcoin Arcade. I think it could go either way right now. The bears are saying that it's going to be, it could trade all the way down to 8.
Some people are saying 5.
Some people 5.
Extreme. I mean, that's just...
I think that's pretty crazy.
Yeah,
I mean, I could see
crazy.
8. I could see 8.
I mean, could you imagine, like, if I saw $5,000 for Bitcoin, I would be like,
man, I would buy so much.
Yeah,
Bitcoin.
I would buy as much as I can.
And then, of course, everyone on the bull side is saying that it could go all the way up to 21.
Oh yeah,
22,000.
Yeah, which is great.
The
I would love to see
moon.
that. Please, like,
Yeah.
I think anyone that's watching this would love to see that.
I think it will probably hover around 15. And hopefully we get to see some gains here in the next week.
It's still not looking good right now, but I think with time, we'll start seeing some gains.
Excellent. All right, so the altcoin of the week. Johnny, what is the altcoin that you are bringing us this week on our first episode of Bitcoin Arcade?
All right, so I got a coin called Ardor.
Ardor, that's ARDR, correct?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a scalable blockchain. It's built on top of the NXT infrastructure. It's a service platform that allows companies to use the parental chain to create like side chains, child chains, and that allows you to basically tailor the child chain into whatever you want for your, whatever you're selling. And then after it's used, it's automatically deleted off the blockchain, which allows for the blockchain to be very light and efficient. And so it's got some potential. It also uses proof of stake. It doesn't use as much, I guess, electricity in the case of like maybe traditional mining, like
so
Ethereum.
It doesn't use as much energy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's more energy efficient and allows you to make your money with servicing a node. One more thing is written with Java, which is just a familiar programming language. It being efficient and accessible has a lot of potential.
So it kind of has a lot of potential for people to just jump on and use this blockchain to their own advantage and then just jump off.
Create a product, and the system won't be bogged down, which, I mean, like Ethereum right now has issues with just how many transactions are being processed. I mean, it's a little limiting, but it's better than Bitcoin. There are other coins out there that are doing those things better, and it's just a matter of time before another coin maybe steals spotlight. So we'll see what happens.
All right,
Yeah,
Ardor looks like a good one
Yeah.
for sure. All right, and as far as the rest of the market goes, all the other altcoins in the market this week, Johnny, what are we seeing? Definitely seems like everything kind of took a big hit.
Oh yeah, just hold, guys. Don't
Hold on!
Yeah, just hold.
Hold the door!
Just wait for the market to bounce back. It's just gonna take some time, and we'll all be shooting to the moon here soon.
Yeah, don't give up, everybody.
Yeah.
Hit back in, and hopefully this Bitcoin stays steady, and we see some gains this week, and then all those altcoins are going to catch up to it. All right, thanks for joining us on Bitcoin Arcade this week. This has been a lot of fun. We're going to do one of these every week, you guys.
Yeah, see you guys next week.
See you next week.